Everything I gonna make sense soon. Get a band-aid and put it over the wound. Tell them yellow moon. Well. No man don't perfect. No, we have our vices and our flaws. They want me to stumble. I go so hard, I take no pause. Even if I fumble, don't laugh just yet. Young boss in charge. Man, man.
I don't even need a filter. No, I don't need
Go to the kitchen. Let's do it now. You gotta come.
I should have changed my top, but I don't care. I literally don't.
I wanna feel, baby, I'm about to
This is me when I'm inside.
Now I wanna touch, let's warm it up, and you get what I need, make me buzz. I want your body, girl, I'm about to attack. Girl, you make me wanna get you pregnant. Girl, you make me wanna get you pregnant. Lay your body down and get you pregnant. You are pregnant. Girl, you make me wanna get you pregnant. Girl, you make me wanna get you pregnant. Lay your body down and get you pregnant. And now it's I'm yelling over her, she yelling over me. All that I need is neither of us listening. Won't you be my daddy?
Loving the eyelids. Is it gold?
Huh?
The eyelids, is it gold?
The what?
Eyelids.
It's not anything, it's just a primer.
You are lying. I thought it was like eyeshadow.
I got some plans that don't involve my head.
Oh boy, it's rich kids, oh boy. Dance with, oh boy. Sweet for rich kids, oh boy. Bricks, man, bricks. Bricks, man, bricks, man, bricks. Bricks, man, bricks, man, bricks. Bricks, man. Ice for my chain that I drip. A gal a deep throat for my dick. Look at the time, what is it? A brand new kicks in a closet. Kicks in a closet, oh God. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Bring me a case of Bel-Air. I'll do my bed not then here. Diamond ringing on my ear. That's a bricks, man, bricks. Bricks, man, bricks, man, bricks. Looking at my closet, you see kicks, man, kicks. Kicks, man, kicks, man, kicks. Pass me the duffel bag. 100 million. Pass me the duffel bag. 100 million. 100 million, 100 million. All my friend them hype too. And if you not like me, me not like you. Big on my flyers, me like to. My eye them fryers, me like to. Make a crystal and milk, figure freestyle a dream weekend. Dream weekend. My mother always want the Jeep, so she get the Jeep then. Man always dream for rich. Mama was about 10. Now I guess I'm on a pray for bill. And some big hotels with bricks, man, bricks. Bricks, man, bricks, man, bricks. Looking at my closet, just kicks, man, kicks. Kicks, man, kicks, man, kicks. Pass me the duffel bag.
Flip it like a flippergram. Lift your bumper, flip like a flippergram. Flip it like a flippergram. Flip it like a flippergram. Y'all wind up on my body, y'all. Why like it's a carnival? Y'all me love the way you wine for me. Y'all your wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, y'all. Me while you come wine your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you no lazy. Girl, you a party animal. To own your wine, you drive me crazy. Girl, you a party animal. You wine so good, you just so good. Girl, me love how you party. She take 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. After 9 minutes, she come back for more. She take off the shoes and pound the dance floor. Then she start to broke out like a sword. Then she approach me just like a cure. Me know so she like me tonight, me a score. She sexy, she beautiful and she pure. Girl, I you me a door, so wind up on my body, girl. Wind us like a carnival. Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, the wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl. Me while you come wine.
Yeah, we need to move that. Right, so I need to get ready now. I don't even know what I'm wearing. Do you know what I should wear? It looks like it's going to rain loads.
Yeah, but remember, this is still Manchester.
After 80 yards, turn right.
Right, okay. This car is moving too. Right. See, it's gone off again. I really need to update this, what you call it? You know, once I was driving and I was so tired and I was nodding off while I was driving. But only for like a second. We're at the event now, aren't we?
Yeah, girl, we at the event, you know what I'm saying?
Fix my... My belly looks flat. I'm just trying to sort my hair out. There's always something wrong with my hair. Yeah.
You even forgot, you should have bought earrings.
It's in the bag. I forgot
Maybe
to take
you
it.
can sneak out.
Yeah.
See, you look so much better like that. Your hair was just doing my head in.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, you told me because I heard him say 5 minutes to start.
Yeah.
I bet she always say, oh, you had a hard night last night. Because we look so rough.
We're not demos now. I won't put it on you, don't worry.
You won't put that on me and put it over anyway. So don't make any difference.
And that woman though, Briona, she was like, I saw when she looked at you, I was sat in the car. She didn't tell you up it.
Crazy.
How do you try to spin around? Like how you spin
I don't know, I've tried to.
What's that?
Crazy, I don't know. I think I have to do it for sure.
There's a bees in the car. Bees in the trap. Has it gone out?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to like finger this car. Right. I need a finger holder there. You know, like to put your drinks. I literally need to buy one. Napkins. We can put the sauces up there.
Or we can put a drink.
Yeah. Mhm. I need to put my phone on charge. Oh, I can't wait to eat. Let me take off these shoes because I want to be comfy when I'm eating. Literally comfy.
So fat.
Do you get fries as well? What did you get? 2 drinks. Can I get my sauce? Cheese bites. Oh yeah, I love this dip. So cheese bites, they're so nice. You need to try this with the cheese bites. Honestly, it's really nice. Wait, not yet. No, try it with the sauce.
I don't have to try how much comes in there.
You should have bought some.
You mean?
4. That's yours. Eaten. Where's your chips? Oh, you should out there. I'll probably only give us one. So, just got back now, literally in the same clothes, but when you're driving you don't really care because you know you're in your car and no one's gonna really see you, so you just I brought clothes to get changed but we didn't get changed, so home now and I'm absolutely knackered. So thank you for watching, and sorry it wasn't well, what I planned for it I didn't get to do because there was a lot more I wanted to put into this vlog, but I didn't get to do that. But thank you so much for watching. I'm literally going to have a shower and just chill out. I'm so tired. So hope you enjoy and everything. Bye.